Welcome back to IR Design Expert channel. Today we are discussing about die design for pressure die casting. This is a component or manufacture with use of casting model. This casting model is to be created a parting line, and then we can be split into the two half of fixed die and movable die. This is a component. The component is we can first we have to create it as a draft, and then before then we can be removing the sharp edges. To all the sharp edges not be created for any type of casting process, so we can be given for minimum thickness of roundness. We'll give 1 mm for all the edges. This is the most any type of casting process, even sand casting or pressure die casting or any type of casting process we can be using for this roundness is very important. This roundness is most useful for can be created for sharp edges not be created, so it can be eliminated like. Okay, can be selected all the edges. Now going to the fillet for the bigger drafting faces. The thickness is, can reduce the thickness with use of this icon, and 3 mm. Okay, again select the fillet to select the opposite round faces. Okay, the same 3 mm, and then bottom surface can be select. So 5 mm. Okay, now going to edit. This is unevenly can fillet, so it can be edit for fillet. Just right click and edit, and the thickness is we can be give 3 mm. Okay, you can complete it for all the sharp edges are removed. Now go for a draft analysis. So to click the surface based on that. What are the drafts? This is a required draft faces for yellow color. Now going to again click a draft and select the surface. What are the surface? You can be make it for draft. You can select all the surfaces. Okay. This is the first one. Neutral axis is based on this surface. You can be make it for a draft. What is the reason? In the sense it should be created as a fillet, so it can be, you can remove the fillet and then make a draft, otherwise cannot be created for a draft. So just have to click and drag, in the sense automatically it can unfillet. Now it can be selected for the top surface and then all the draft surfaces. Okay, this is 1 degree. This is enough for 1 degree. Just have to change the color. It's a positive draft. And then it can be created for yellow color. Is required draft, so it can be created as a draft for all the faces. Okay, and again you can be click draft faces is a neutral face and then select all the surfaces. Okay, now going to click OK, create it as a draft, and then another one part is remaining this there, and create it. The bottom is a draft face, you have to click side face, it's also same 1 degree. Change the view direction. Okay, just want to check it for removing of fixed die and movable die. Again the interior, again you have to select a draft and select 2 holes. Okay, now it is completed. Okay, now going to unclick for draft analysis. Now we can create as a fillet. Okay, it can be created. Okay, now I'm going to click a parting line, and then the surface, this is the surface, can be make as a draft faces. Here you can be created as a parting line option. Okay, you can select all the edges of fixed die. Okay, you can just auto click lessons automatically. You can be created as a line is created. So direction is indicated for the arrow mark. It's the very easiest one. Now without one fillet is remaining is there. You can change and edit, right click and edit definition. You click this edges also. Now you can again going to select the surface and draft analysis and click all the edges of the parting line. Okay, this is automatically created for next line and arrow mark is also. It's very simplest way you can be created. So to right click and delete, this line is coming topwards. Okay, so to close the sense automatically it should be the line is closed, line is created. Okay, it is created, parting line is created now. Sort of surfaces, this is for any type of smaller holes is available in the sense the holes are created. So dummy one making of split. The split up is more useful one. Now parting surface, you can click the sense automatically based on a parting line it will be extend. Now just auto extend for parting line surfaces. Extended. Okay, Okay, it is created. And then tooling split, just go to click chop top surface. And now going to select rectangular and draw the rectangular. This is our core and drag box. Maybe fixed die and movable die. In sand casting distance, this is for core and drag. In pressure die casting distance, this is for fixed die and movable die. This is the wall thickness of each side casting lines. Okay, now it is created. Can be adjust the thickness of the fixed die and movable die. This is 40 and this is 20. Okay, now it is created for fixed die movable die. The split up is completed. The mold is created. Move copy the direct entities. Just go to click move copy. Not available in the sense, just go to right click and can add it for direct entities. And just go to click and drag. Again, you can move to select. Click and drag. Just go to click and drag. It's automatically coming. Okay. Okay, this is created excellent for cavities. Each and every part is to be created with fillet. Okay. Now going to select solid body. The solid body can be added for material. Right click and material and plain carbon steel. And again and change the plain carbon steel. Just want to change the name is also fixed die movable die. No problem. It's also possible. If you just want to click and rename, you can use it for a separate name. Okay, it is completed. Thank you for watching our Design Expert channel. Thank you.